What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it's Baba Fridays, guys. So let's take a look at the daily chart to kick off the video. And you can see that price has been pushing up higher since last time I looked at it, which was Wednesday. So the expectation was higher prices. Reason being is that price is inside of this red box, which is also known as a range. And when price hits one side of the range, it normally will attempt to reach the opposite side. So we just hit the top of the range, then price went to the bottom of the range, and now it looks like we're going back up to the top, which is right around the 77.82. So that's where price is headed. Is it guaranteed to get there? No, it's not guaranteed to get there, but as right now, it looks like the bulls are pushing up the price. If we make a similar size leg up in the past, or a similar size impulse as the past, where would be the next target? You can see that it's targeting right around the low 80s, 81.33 to be specific. So I'm expecting higher prices in the short term. We do have also this bullish trend line in play that the bulls can bounce off of if the price does drop lower. So again, we do have price staying above the EMA. We have this trend line in play. We have that range pattern towards the upside and a measuring target. So short term is looking good for the bulls as of right now. But overall, this is still a downtrend, and I expect lower prices in the future unless we see price get back inside this big yellow range and break this downward trend line that I drew off the swing highs. So this downward trend line right here has to be broken if price wants to have a sustainable uptrend. So even if we do get back up to the low 80s, we can find resistance and then continue selling off. We would need to see a strong break above it, hold as support, and then continue to take off from there. So that would be the bullish case, and the first step would be to get back above the low 80s. So again, in downtrends, you do have pullbacks. So just because, I'm expecting higher prices in the short term, that doesn't mean I'm expecting a reversal. I'm just expecting the pullback to end and then, the downtrend resume lower. So that's what it's looking like. This is not strong enough to reverse this trend as of right now. So here's a look at the weekly, and you can see that price is still below the EMA, below the trend line, below the $80 level. We have measure moves targets in play towards the downside. So just because we have a target to the upside, that doesn't mean the bears are not trying to reach their targets to the downside. And their targets are right around the mid to low 50s. So again, that's where the bears are trying to reach and drop down the price to, which coincides with that all-time low back here in 2015 and 2016. That price did retest back here in October of 2022. So again, it hasn't been doing much. We haven't seen any aggressive buying occur, since basically 2022. This was a nice rally higher, early 2023, and we haven't seen anything like that since. This move up right here, you can see that we haven't seen anything like that since. We have seen moves up higher, like right back over here, but nothing like what happened in the past. So again, this is still leaning towards the downside, and I expect price to continue to trend down lower in the future for Baba as of right now. So that's all I have for Baba on the daily weekly charts, and most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Wednesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.